All right, I've never done this with the phone before, but the Dozer guy didn't call today. Surprise, surprise. I was up doing a lot of other things, getting my E911 address and grocery shopping and getting tires on rims of the ATV, and it's about, I don't even know, 4:30 p.m. Just spread a bunch of big rock down by the culvert. As you can see, the sun's going down. But look at this. This is where my shop is going. Unbelievable. And I turn around. Oh my God, it's Bigfoot. No, it's not Bigfoot. That's Matt. He's helping me again. There's the Dozer way down there. I don't know if you can see it. But he raised hell out here today. This is where my shop house garage gonna go. So I'm pretty damn excited. It's almost blown my mind that it's going so fast. So much is happening so fast.
Yeah, you're not messing around.
Gave my little tractor a good workout today. Totally forgot to bring my camera. It was just been going since like 6 a.m. All right, that's just a quick update. Hope I'm not rambling too bad. And if I am, that's just the way it is. All right, now I got to figure out how to stop the video.